CIVIS has a great achievement, that is the BIPs, the blended intensive programs. The Alliance succeeded to create actually a really quite joint initiative, as the BIPs were designed by the European Commission, but have a kind of joint implementation process designed specifically within CIVIS. And that is really unique, I guess, also for European university alliances. Collaboration and joint collaboration, joint design of education is a key component of blended intensive programs, which combines online teaching but has a mandatory part of physical mobility, which brings in the mobility unit within CIVIS Alliance to organize and administer, supported by the international offices of each university.